Take a picture of him rolling down the hill.
Yeah, I think it's recording now.
This is gonna be the fastest one. Hey, let's see how fast I'm gonna be.
Sure, let's see how fast you are. Whoa! Quickest.
Joey, roll down here.
Sure, Joey.
Let's see how fun it is.
Sure, a little while. Let's finish looking at all the cars. Did you see this Porsche Panera? This one right here? Panorama? Yeah, however you say it. There's still other cars in here that are Panamera. Whoa!
Watch out, Joey.
Alex found a way to have fun.
Here I go.
Joey's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Here he does.
One more way.
The Ferrari dealership now.
Yeah, we'll go. We'll go. The Ferrari dealership is gonna be smaller, Joey. Yay!
Can we play?
Sure. Go and ask your grandma.
There was my
This is part of your video, Joey. There he goes.
I can do it faster than that. See, I can do it faster than that. No.
Yeah, but you can't tear your pants now.
Joey's future Hollywood movie of the Lamborghini dealership is really working out great. Well, you can do whatever you want, Joey. It's going to be your video.
You do it how I do it. Even fun.
Yeah. See if Grandma's in the picture. Yes, she is.
Do it how I do it, like this.
Just like that, huh?
Yeah. Do it that way.
I'm going to get a good close-up.
Do it.
Okay. And who's going to drive back home? Or who's going to drive you to the hospital? Yes.
That's even faster. Wait, Juanita. Wait, let's go. It's a tie.
Oh.
Alex must be getting so tired.
Yeah, he's had enough. I guess we're going to go to the Ferrari dealership now, huh?
Wait. Take a picture of me.
Right there, huh?
Now be careful because I know not to go.
Yeah, come on, Alex. You can't go under there. All right. One more time. Here goes. This is it.
Okay.
Get set. Go!
Ready?
Geronimo! Ready or not? All right. You did good there.